Cash App got you scrambling for a number? Nope, you don't need one. Ever been stuck in that awkward situation? You need to pay a friend back for that epic taco adventure, but digging through your phone for their Cash App tag feels like finding a needle in a haystack. Or maybe you're at the register, groceries piled high, and panic sets in. Did you forget to transfer money to your Cash App balance? Fear not, fellow Cash Appers. Unlike your bank, where those long hold times and endless automated menus can leave you tearing your hair out, Cash App doesn't require a customer service hotline. That's right, you can ditch the frantic number searches because Cash App prioritizes a streamlined, tech-savvy experience. So, how do you get the help you need, you ask? Buckle up, because we're diving into the world of Cash App support, a world that prioritizes convenience and keeps you in control. First things first, Cash App boasts a robust in-app support center. Think of it as your own personal Cash App guru, readily available at your fingertips. Need help with a specific feature? Stuck navigating a transaction? Simply open the Cash App and tap the profile icon in the top right corner. From there, navigate to the support section, and voila! A treasure trove of helpful articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides awaits. Cash App's in-app support is meticulously categorized, making it a breeze to find exactly what you're looking for. Whether you're facing a login issue, have questions about security measures, or simply want to understand the nuances of investing with Cash App, the Support Center has you covered. But what if you have a question that requires a more personalized touch? Cash App understands that sometimes a human connection goes a long way. That's why they've built a user-friendly system for submitting support tickets directly through the app. Here's the beauty of it all, submitting a ticket is as easy as clicking a few buttons. Simply navigate back to the support section and select Contact Support. From there, you'll be prompted to choose the category that best reflects your issue. Cash App even offers a handy search bar within the support section, allowing you to quickly find articles or FAQs that might address your concern. It's like having a mini search engine dedicated solely to Cash App functionalities, saving you precious time and frustration. Now, let's address the security elephant in the room. Cash App takes user safety incredibly seriously. Their in-app support system prioritizes keeping your information confidential. You won't be bombarded with generic responses or forced to navigate an endless loop of automated menus. Cash App's support team is comprised of real people dedicated to resolving your issues efficiently and securely. They understand the value of your time and money, and their goal is to get you back to using Cash App with confidence. Of course, the internet is a vast and wonderful, sometimes overwhelming, place. If you prefer a more traditional route, Cash App also maintains a comprehensive online resource center accessible through a web browser. This online hub mirrors the functionalities of the in-app support system, offering a wealth of information readily available at your convenience. The bottom line? Cash App prioritizes a user-friendly experience that extends far beyond simply sending and receiving money. Their robust support system empowers you to find solutions and answers independently, while also offering the option to connect with a human representative for more intricate issues. So, the next time you find yourself in a Cash App conundrum, ditch the phone number hunt. Remember, with its intuitive in-app support center, a user-friendly online resource center, and a dedicated support team, Cash App has you covered, all without the hassle of a traditional customer service hotline. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.